What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Here is a brand new update pushed out by the GoodLock team for the Registar application. This update brings in a very important and useful enhancement for one of the features inside Registar module. Now we all know that this is an incredible plugin on GoodLock which adds some amazing functions such as backtap and side key to execute some of the functions on the phone, configuring the settings menu, etc. We have seen multiple videos on the channel about this particular application. If you have missed them, you can check out the channel, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to know your phone better. Now moving on, let me show you the version number here. This is 1.0.39. This is the latest version we have. The update is received on 11th of May. In the changelog, it says provides backtap action feature as a modes and routines action. That sounds really interesting. And then we have got some bug fixes as well. Now let's go ahead and check out what exactly has changed with this all new update. First, let me just open Registar module on GoodLock. You can see we have got options like customize your settings home, using which we can change the menu order and group settings. We can either disable the menu options or we can move these menus depending on your convenience. And then we have got the settings change history, which shows us the recent settings changes which we have done on the phone with the time and date. Then comes the search options. We can set the search options based on menu order or accuracy. This is of course on the settings menu we are talking about. After these options, we get settings extensions, under which we have got backtap action and side key press and hold action. Now using the backtap action, we can double tap to execute a few functions like take a screenshot, access your Google Voice Assistant, start pop-up window, etc. We have got a bunch of options here, and for triple tap as well we have got similar options. Now this update adds this backtap action into modes and routines. So we will not be able to see any changes here on this particular menu. So what we are going to do is we will head over to the settings menu. We have got modes and routines option. I'll tap on this. Now I'll tap on this routines tab, where we can create a routine by tapping on this plus button on the top. You can see we have got if condition and then condition. Now in the then condition, when I tap on this, you can see at the bottom we have got a GoodLock application. I'll tap on this. Here it is. We have got Registar module, which has been integrated into modes and routines. Earlier we had routines plus and sound assistant modules, and now Registar module is also available, in which we just get the backtap action which can be triggered or enabled based on the if condition. Now let me just press on backtap action. You can see this window pops up which says backtap action on or off, which means we can set an if condition to turn on or off backtap action feature. Let me tap on done. Now let me press on if condition. Here you can select any if conditions depending on what exactly you need. You can start this backtap action manually whenever you need it, or you can select wake up time, or probably a specific time at which you want to enable this backtap action. Just in case if you feel that the backtap action is consuming some battery, or it is getting triggered unnecessarily whenever you're working or doing something on the phone, then you can enable this feature only when you need it using modes and routines. That's what this is all about. All in all, this is an incredible module which Samsung or the GoodLock team added on a GoodLock application. If you don't have GoodLock in your country, you can go ahead and check out the NiceLock or FindLock applications, on which you will be able to see the APKs for these applications or plugins. That's all I wanted to update you guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, become a part of Apex community to know your phone better, and give this video a like if you find this useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.